So this is Isha Govila. She's there with us. She's a Law Seco November 2021 student who's looking for jobs, and at that time she got an LPO opportunity, joined an LPO, but she wanted to work in a law firm because this is what really inspired her. She could even earn better, right? So she enrolled in our course in November 2021. She started studying hard and gave interviews with several organizations. She got one interview that didn't fully materialize. Then another firm reached out to her directly. It's called law firm called Consortia. They reached out to her on her LinkedIn profile, and this firm has offices in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, London, and they work in insurance, corporate, and immigration. She cracked the interview and has started working at the firm, and she earns very well. She's still doing the course, not completed it yet, 6 more months to go, and refers to it whenever she has a doubt. Her confidence has increased tremendously. So I'm going to invite Isha to share her experience. Hi, and thank you for being here.
Hi. My pleasure.
So, congratulations. Firstly, I think you got the job last month, right?
Right. It's been 2 months. Very well. I'm able to read the contracts. I'm able to draft them, do the first-hand things. So the course has helped me majorly. It has given me a lot of confidence in how I view the contracts now.
So, how was it after you graduated? You were looking for opportunities, and then you work in an LPO. So, what was the challenge you were facing earlier to crack opportunities?
Right. So I think there exists a certain kind of disparity between what we're taught in law school, which is majorly focusing on procedural and substantive laws. But we aren't really given like a how-to guide on contracts majorly. And I think any corporate lawyer, be it you're an in-house counsel or you're working in a law firm, your major involvement, your major work revolves around different kinds of contracts, which I think no law school, in as far as my knowledge goes, teaches us as to how to do the drafting or how to review. And that's when this course came very, very handy, because I think I could rely back on a lot of jargons. I could rely on a lot of, I think the course is very well structured. It tells us, what are the structures of a contract? How does a contract flow from the start to the end?
Why had you enrolled? Because you were already working in a law firm, right? Then what did you think? What went you taking a decision?
But sometimes when you're working with partners and they throw legal jargons at you, and they throw terms at you which you can't really Google and find instantly, you need some resource, you need some well structured content to go back. And I wish Law Seco was back then publishing work back in 2017 when I graduated, but it's okay sooner than later. But I think when I joined the course, I could go back and I could read a lot of things. And I must thank you and Ramadesh and the other. I've attended some lectures from lawyers, live lectures, and the kind of the details in which the lectures were held. How to structure, and we've even been taught how to draft, how to even write a particular clause. So amazing work is being done, and that gives a lot of confidence, because then when you try doing the assignments, you can do it yourself and you get real-time feedback also.
And where are you based?
I am right now in Greater Noida.
Greater Noida. And your firm is giving you work from London?
They have the immigration, one of the partner lives in London. So yes, we sometimes have immigration work, immigration laws. So it's a remote working. So I'm working with 3 partners, and they're located in 3 different cities: London, Ahmedabad, and Mumbai.
And what's the next step? What is next on the cards for your career?
I think from here it moves onwards and upwards. I've still not completed the course. I'm enrolled in another course, and I'm hopeful of enrolling in more courses that Law Seco comes up with, because I think I would say I'm really benefited, not just in terms of landing a job, but my overall awareness about a lot of things has grown. And now I can read the finance newspaper, I can read Indian Times, Indian Express, and I can be more aware. I'm aware of a lot of things. So the course introduces us.
And what would you say to people who are thinking that, should I go for this? Will I actually get what these guys are saying if I'm willing to do work?
I think you should. They have the 45-day refund policy in case, and no questions asked. I think in case you don't find the course useful, you may get the refund. But I don't think anybody would require to get the refund. If you do the classes, and if you read the material, and if you do the assignments, then I don't think there is a need for the refund. So I think it's a go ahead.
Thank you so much, Isha, for your time and for coming here. Guys, Isha's story is totally inspiring. I'm very proud of what you have achieved. And it inspires us to continue doing the work and build on it further whenever our students come and share. So thank you for being here.
Thank you. I've never gotten a chance to thank you and Ramanuj personally, so I think this is like the best platform I could thank you for the course, for the Law Seco. So I'm pretty grateful for that.
Anytime.
Thank you.
We are glad. Thank you, Isha. All the best.